Do you know the benefits of oregano? That's what we will talk about in today's video. If you think that oregano is just a seasoning on top of your pizza, you are mistaken. From oregano, we can extract a powerful medicinal oil. Did you know that? Just so you know, some studies have pointed out that oregano oil is efficient against cancer. Isn't it interesting? Also, according to a study, just a teaspoon of dried oregano can supply around 8% of the daily dose of vitamin K. Thanks to its important nutrients, oregano oil has one of the most potent antimicrobial and antifungal actions. And if all of that isn't enough, oregano can also help you alleviate inflammations, treat sore throats, alleviate colds and flu, reduce the risk of asthma attacks, treat sinus and ear infections, reduce nasal congestion, alleviate back pains, headaches, and migraines, alleviate pains and period cramps, alleviate heartburn and acid reflux, eliminate intestinal parasites, treat urinary tract issues and constipation, strengthen the cardiovascular system. Some of the ways of consuming oregano are oregano tea, oregano oil, and oregano as a seasoning. Do you use oregano in your daily life? In which way? In this video, you will also learn how to make oregano tea to boost your health. Stay tuned! Don't forget to like the video and share it with your friends. Both the tea and oil of oregano are full of properties that are beneficial to our health. Oregano tea is rich in antioxidants, such as rosmarinic acid and thymol, that can fight the free radicals. This tea is used for centuries as a homemade medicine to treat bacterial infections and respiratory issues. The regular consumption of oregano tea also contributes to reducing cholesterol levels in the blood. Oregano oil has antibacterial, antiseptic, and healing properties. It can protect your immune system against viral and bacterial attacks, preventing many diseases. Oregano oil contains a series of volatile oils with antifungal, carminative, and diuretic properties, not to mention the vitamins and minerals found in oregano oil, A, C, and E, and also magnesium, iron, potassium, zinc, and calcium. How amazing is that? Now, let's learn how to make oregano tea. It is simple. Just add 1 to 2 teaspoons of oregano to 1 cup of boiling water. Close and let it sit for 5 minutes. Then strain and drink. The ideal is to drink up to 3 cups a day. If you have a sore throat, dry cough, or phlegm, this tea can help you. If possible, make the tea before sleeping and add some honey to enhance its medicinal properties against the flu and colds. Now tell us, did you know these benefits of oregano to your health already? If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.